Hey guys, Julie here. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be making a Shamrock Shake. Now, some people like these and some people don't. But one thing's for sure, you definitely need the look of the Irish in order to get one. They're only available for a short time and we all know that McDonald's ice cream machines aren't exactly the most reliable. I always take my kids to go get them around this time of year and they love them. However, after a couple of tries, we haven't been successful, so we're just gonna make some at home because they're super simple and easy. Alright, so I got my blender out and I'm just gonna use one of these single serve containers. And we're gonna put 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Alright, I have to use a spoon to get this off because it's really frozen. Making it at home will be better because you can use real ice cream instead of soft serve. Alright, and then we'll add half a cup of milk. We're going to go ahead and put some mint extract in here. So the kind you're going to want to get is mint, not peppermint, because that's different. And we're only going to need a couple of drops. It's really strong. And the mint doesn't actually have any color to it, so we'll just be adding a little bit of food coloring. So I use these Wilton icing colors. This is Kelly Green, but these go a really long way, so you only need like a teeny tiny bit. If you're using the droppers, you'll want to add more than what I'm adding here, but you can always add more, so just be careful with how much you put in there. So I just take a toothpick and dip it in there and then dip it straight into there. This stuff will stain the heck out of your hands, so be careful. I've had so many colors all over my hands, and then we'll just go ahead and blend it up. Okay, and it's not super green, so we'll go ahead and add just a little bit more. You can always add, you just can't take away. So just a little more. And we'll blend it some more to see if we can get that nice green color. I'm just going to put this in the freezer real quick while we make the whipped cream. I'm going to use my KitchenAid to make some fresh whipped cream, and I put the bowl in the freezer for a few minutes before, and that'll just help to make it really thick. We'll go ahead and use the whisk attachment. We have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Start the mixer on low and then gradually increase and leave it on high until it's nice and fluffy. And it'll look like this. Alright, and I'm just going to put it in a piping bag. And make 1,000 messes in the process. And of course, you can just buy whipped cream in the can if that's what you prefer. I personally can't buy whipped cream in the can because when I do, I put it in the fridge and then when I go to get it out, it's completely empty. My kids. Now let's go ahead and pour it up. Leave a little room for the whipped cream. And we'll just top it with some sprinkles. And It tastes just like it, but better. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.